These are good when you go to a restaurant. These are good at home or at a friend's house. And these, there's a lot of them. They're like stress balls, and this one's squishy. Cat. These are good for when you go to school. And these are good at home and in the car. These are good for a plane. These are good anywhere. There are bracelets with zippers on them. You can wear them anywhere, anytime. These are good at home when you're watching a movie. You can pop them while you're watching TV or something. These are also good at home or in the car or at a friend's house or on a plane or your car. They said that. These monkey noodles can be good at a restaurant or at home, obviously, or on the plane. These, you can bring them to a friend's house and show her what you got, all your collection. They're also good in the car and at your house and anywhere, basically. And these wacky tracks, they can be good on a plane or in the car, obviously at home, maybe a restaurant too. You can basically bring all of these fidgets anywhere you want. They're really fun and entertaining, and they just relieve stress. So yeah.